Alright, quick short over here. I went ahead and gave my smoke visor to Moto Mac, and then I was without my dark visor. I had the clear and the chrome, but hopefully Mac is making good use of it. But I went ahead and got the transitional visor. Yeah, God has blessed me with an excellent employer, so I don't know how long it'll take to transition, but it does work. You know, I had it in the sun, and it got darker. But yeah, my Shoei, my X14. If you see this helmet out, just know some business about to go down, because you get that clean air in the back. You know, all the people that I've done business, I've bought stuff with, yeah, it's starting to get a little more tint. But it needs like that direct sunlight. But transitional lens, got it. Now a while ago, I just never pushed it on the channel. But now I don't have to take this thing off. So at night, it'll clear up. During the day, it gets darker, you know, and it's all straight. So yeah, coming a long way with Zeus, man. Yeah, have a good time, folks.
The revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube fam? The man, the myth, the ZX Predator coming at you with another video. I know I've been MIA for a bit, but I had to draw your attention to this cut seat that I ended up securing. Shout out to Alex, another Alex from South Jersey per fanboy. He hooked me up for a steal. So if you can see the profile, I'm gonna get this stained black, or at least gray, you know, because now it's kind of like really, I won't say eyesore, but the cool thing is the honeycomb look. This I'll probably leave the same, but definitely right in here I want that darkened, and I'm gonna put the Solo cover on there, and then I'll have spare seats. So I bought this with a trade of a Gen 1 seat conversion to this with some cash. So he hooked me up rather nicely, but it does look really good. Profile sits a little differently, and those of you who remember my C14 conversion, so now I have a modified cut seat. I have the OEM, two OEM seats, and the C14 one. So I have a configuration for every type of ride I want to do. So Zeus is coming along rather nicely. Like I said, I have to get the tuning done on him, because at high RPMs, I think they have to pull some fuel from it to get him a little bit higher in terms of the horsepower, as if he's not high enough as is. But then the Öhlins suspension, and that's pretty much it. Later down the line, like, miscellaneous stuff like the carbon fiber fairings, I've already priced them out, but I do have to prioritize. I may be moving, so a lot of my funds and resources will be prioritizing on that, but I could afford to get it. It's just a matter of life priorities, so I have to take care of that first. But I just wanted to show you guys this. Looks really good. So I'll probably, let me go ahead. I'm gonna throw on the seat cover or the Solo cowl, see how it looks. Alright, before I get this on there, so I took the Solo cowl off of Zeus's OEM seat. Now, just wanted to direct you to something. This is a 2012-2014. Mine was a 2016 special edition. And if you notice, look at the texture. This is for a 2016 OEM. On the other one, it's smooth. See, I have texture. So just minor differences. And then you got that here, but it's smooth over there. It's like inverted, but just to let you know, damn, collected a lot of dust under there. But I'm gonna get the Solo cowl onto this, see what it looks like, and I'm gonna leave it until I get the, you know, I'm probably gonna take like the shoe cleaner thing, at least get this darkened. But yeah, that definitely is going to get, you know, blacked out, or, you know, well, I'll figure it out, but we'll be back. Alright, so with my Black & Decker, I already kind of have an idea what it's going to look like. Alright, so this was a Gen 1 seat converted, but this does fit because it has the extra padding. I just have to push it up enough. But we're gonna get it on the bike, see what it looks like. If I like it, I keep it. If not, I'll throw it up on eBay or something, you know. But let's see. All right, got the cowl in there. So far, it actually looks better. I really like how that looks. Like I said, I will get it colored and stained. I might have to drill a hole to cover that space. It's not that bad, you know, but it literally, like, right from where this comes down, it's looking real good. Yeah, that profile looks sick. All right. Oh, showing y'all a little something. My brother-in-law picked this up for me while he's down in Mexico. Some good stuff. But yeah, with that said, I'm gonna throw it on the bike. All right, and just like that, all done. So it doesn't. There's a slight gap, but if I drill a hole and put this screw hole forward, it's gonna sit snug. It did have a Gen 2 cowl on it before, so it's all good. So the seller only used it once. He got it cut to sell with another bike, a Gen 1 also, and he was just like, I saw it, I made him an offer, he was okay with it, got rid of my Gen 1 seat, so now I just have 2 Gen 2 seats. I have a spare if anybody needs, and I got this. So looking back at a distance, you see how that stands out? That's why I want to get it colored. So I'm pretty sure that's not gonna be so hard to do. This doesn't look like fabric stainer. I'm gonna look into that. I mean, for right now, this is a temporary look, but I want the solid black because, you know, Zeus is, you know, one of the chariots of the Knight Riders, so gotta keep it in line. But that does go with one of my other helmets, that one right there. I know the garage is a mess, bear with me, but I mean, this it's clashing. It's clashing, but I mean, for the price, I was able to get it today on MLK. But just all right, folks. So this is kind of a return to form. Camera Girl is actually helping me. So the 2.6 million views with, you know, what we did out there. I'm glad she's helping me out with this because I don't have Geo with me. But I already installed the cut seat. Now the reason why I have Camera Girl helping me with this, I actually want to sit on it to kind of show the profile. So I'm gonna get on this thing. Now if you come around here, I'm actually sitting a little bit lower, right? So for racing, I'm hooked in. If I slide back, that hump is gonna hook me in. And now even sitting here, my profile is lower. So, woo-wee! There's gonna be some good stuff, some like significant changes. Camera Girl doesn't know what has this bike's transformation in the last 2 years, but yeah, one more thing left to do. Actually, 2 more. I'm pretty much there. But that profile, I feel it immediately. Like I'm like right there. So now, just getting everything dialed in terms of tuning and what have you. There'll be some good stuff. So I had to do this right so you can actually see it. Camera Girl, thank you so much for this. This is just like an add-on to the video. So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not subscribed, a like goes a long way. And shout out to those forums on Facebook and Instagram, even TikTok. She got me into the TikTok stuff. So I mean, looking at this right here, it's looking real good. Nice, magnifique. I love it. Yeah, it sits really high. I mean, I think that they had to cut in here, take all the excess out, because the lower you sit, the wind will go over. So, yeah. Then if you come around here, yeah, this you can see it's like a 30-degree incline. But yeah, the other seat, good stuff. All right. So, I mean, it's been cool stuff, but so far, this seat is the truth. The only issue, and I'm sure my sister can tell you, the white is not jiving with me. I may get it stained. Actually, I will get it stained black so that it looks like these seats right here. But with that, like I said, rate, comment, subscribe. ZX Predator. I'm out. Subscribe. The man, the myth, the ZX Predator. I will get back to regular uploads. Like I said, I'm dealing with potentially moving and just some family issues. So, I gotta work on that. But we'll be back to our regularly scheduled setup. And we'll go for there, folks. We'll see you. Peace.
Ha 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 ha!